Vivo launches the latest X20 Ultra smartphone. It seems that it is going to be high-end model. It comes with all of the flagship specifications and features that are being offered by this series. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Without wasting more time, let's take a look at the Vivo X200 Ultra and see what it has to offer. There will be LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with large 6.78 inches screen size, which can easily produce a high resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with a battery refresh rate of 120 Hz. Powering all these is the well-known and powerful Snapdragon 888 chipset. At the back, you will get a triple camera system with 50 megapixel wide lens and 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens and 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor, since it comes with a large 6000 mAh battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.